What if I told you that a single dollar, just $1, could turn into over $1,000 without you ever touching it again? No luck, no investing skill, no secret trick, just time and a concept called compound interest. Today we're going to break down exactly how it works, why it's the most powerful force in personal finance, and what you can do right now to make it work for you. Let's start from scratch. Most people have heard of interest. It's simply extra money you earn when you save, or extra money you pay when you borrow. Simple interest means you only ever earn on your original amount. So if you put $100 in a savings account at 10% interest, you earn $10 every year. That's fine, but compound interest is different, and this is where things get exciting. With compound interest, you earn interest on your interest too. Let me say that again. You earn interest on your interest. So in year 1 you earn $10. Now you have 110. In year 2, you earn 10% on the whole 110, not just the original 100. That's $11, then 12, then 13, and it keeps growing. It sounds small at first, but give it time, and it snowballs into something remarkable. Here's where most people's minds get blown. The most important ingredient in compound interest isn't the amount of money you start with, it's time. Imagine two friends, Sarah and Raj. Sarah starts saving at age 25 and puts away $200 a month until she's 35. Then, she stops completely and never adds another cent. Raj waits until he's 35 to start, but he keeps saving $200 every single month until he retires at 65. Who ends up with more money? Sarah. By a lot. Even though she saved for only 10 years and Raj saved for 30. Because Sarah's money had more time to compound. That's not a trick or a coincidence. That is exactly how the math works. The takeaway is simple. The earlier you start, the less money you need to put in. Time does the heavy lifting for you. So where does compound interest actually happen in real life? A few places. First, savings accounts and high-yield savings accounts. When you deposit money, the bank pays you interest, often monthly or even daily. That interest gets added to your balance, and then next month, they pay interest on the higher balance. It compounds. Second, index funds and investment accounts. When your investments grow and you reinvest those returns, the same compounding effect kicks in, often with much higher rates than a savings account. Third, and this is the side people forget, compound interest also works against you. Credit card debt compounds too. If you carry a balance at 20% interest and only make minimum payments, the interest adds to your debt, and then you get charged interest on that new, higher number. The same snowball that builds wealth can also bury you in debt if you're not careful. Now, let me give you a simple tool you can use right now, no calculator needed. It's called the Rule of 72, and it tells you how long it takes to double your money. Here's how it works. You just divide 72 by the interest rate you're earning. So if you're getting 6% interest, you divide 72 by 6, and you get 12. That means your money doubles every 12 years. At 8%, it doubles every 9 years. At 12%, every 6 years. That's it. You can use this in your head to quickly figure out if an investment or savings account is working hard for you. And when you see that doubling happens over and over again with enough time, you'll start to understand why people who start early end up with so much more. It's not that they were smarter or luckier. It's that their money had more doublings to go through. So, what do you actually do with all of this? 3 things. First, start, even if it's a tiny amount. $10 a month beats $0 a month every time. The math always rewards earlier starters. Second, if you have high interest debt, pay it off as fast as you can. That's compound interest working against you, and cutting it off early saves you an enormous amount of money. Third, if your savings or investments are earning very little, look for better options. A high-yield savings account, a simple index fund, anything that puts your money to work at a higher rate than your current account. You don't need to become a finance expert overnight. You just need to make one small move and let time do the rest. Compound interest isn't magic, it's math. But when you see it work over years and decades, it can honestly feel magical. The most important thing to remember is that time is your greatest asset. More than money, more than skill, more than any shortcut anyone will try to sell you. The best day to start was yesterday. The second best day is today. If this video helped you understand money just a little bit better, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribed. We post simple money tips every week. No jargon, no noise, just things that actually help. See you in the next one. If this helped you, subscribe. We post simple money tips every week.